Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super quick and simple last minute birthday card, or you can turn it into any kind of card for any celebration. But you're going to need some paper, some scissors if you want to cut down your card to make it smaller, or depending on what size you want it, a pencil, a black pen or something to trace the outside of your drawing with, and an eraser. To start off, you're going to take your piece of paper and fold it in half to make a card shape. Now this is when you could use your scissors and cut it down to make it whatever size you want. I'm just going to use the full piece of paper here, and then you're going to grab your pencil, and today I'm going to show you how to do a cute little cupcake type of card. If you guys want more videos like this, comment down below and I'll make some more options for like quick little last minute birthday or card doodles just in general. But today I'm doing a cupcake because I thought you could use it for any like celebration or anything like that. And so to start off, for your cupcake, you're going to make a square shape. So you're going to make two lines on the side, one at the bottom, one at the top, and then I like to do this circle just to kind of give me a reference for like the top part, and then I'm working on the frosting here. So hopefully you can just watch me and kind of figure out how to do it from there. But those are like the three main shapes. So we have the square for the base of the cupcake, and then you're going to do a circle for the like center cupcake part, and then you're going to do this little swervy shape for the frosting on top. Once you have your basic kind of sketch down, you can go ahead and erase any of the lines that are no longer needed, and that's what it should look like. Then you can go in with your pencil and add some more details. So I like to make these little triangles just to kind of add like a wrapper texture to the cupcake outside, and then I like to make these lines just to kind of make it look more 3D or look more realistic just in general. Now we're going to work on making the frosting look a little bit more realistic, so I like to add these kind of curved lines to it to make it look like it was just piped and a little bit in like a swirly shape. So by doing that, I just kind of add these curves and then erase the lines underneath that are no longer needed, and I like to kind of curve them in different directions as you're seeing me do here, just to kind of add to that look. Now I decided to add a cute little face to my cupcake, and I added it to like the cake part of the cupcake, if that makes sense, but you can obviously leave it off, totally optional, up to you. And now I'm working on a little banner to the side just to write birthday in, and then I'm going to write happy above it. But if you're doing this for a graduation card or congrats or anything at all, even if it's just a greeting hello, you don't have to do this, or you could, and you could switch up the wording. So these banners are super simple to draw. It's just really a bunch of straight lines, and then you're just connecting them. So you do two on the top and the bottom, and then you connect it to make a square. You're going to do two little half triangles to make it look like the ribbon is folding back, and then two lines off to the side, and then bring those in. So that is pretty much it for the cute little banner, and then I'm just writing happy above it in some cursive writing, and then I'm going to write birthday inside the banner and add a little heart. And that is pretty much everything you're going to need your pencil for. Then you're done with it, and you can take whatever you're going to use to trace. I'm using this micron pen in a size 0.5, and I'm going to trace the entire cupcake and the banner and the happy writing in this marker. Now that I have finished both the cupcake and the happy writing, I'm going to work on the banner and writing birthday inside of that. I like to rotate the card to make it easier for myself to get those nice straight lines, and then I'm writing birthday inside of it and coloring in the cute little heart. That's what it should look like once it's all complete, and then you can go ahead and select some colors to start coloring your card with. I'm doing purple, pink, and then this light tannish color for the cupcake, and I'm using tombow markers, and I'm just going to color in the entire thing. So I'm doing purple for the outside like base part of the cupcake with a little wrapper on it, and then I'm doing this tan for the actual cupcake, and then I'm going to do the pink for the frosting. A little tip I have to make things look a little bit more realistic, or just add something to your drawings or doodles in general, is once you have colored the entire thing, go back in with the same marker and just color over certain spots again. So that's just what I'm doing here, and it just adds some shadowing and different color variations. So I'm just taking each color and going over some spots that I want to be a little bit darker with that marker. I'm gonna grab 2 more colors, and I'm grabbing this Artist Loft color in this light blue, and I'm going to color my entire banner with this. But you do want to leave the little triangles at the top, they're just little half triangles, blank, so that you can color them in black to make it look like the ribbon is folded back. So I'm just filling that in real quick with my micron, and then I'm taking this really light gray color just to add some shadowing to the little banner and the cupcake. Once I've completed all of that, I'm going to take the pink Tombow brush pen again, and I'm just going to add a little line around the entire card just to spice it up a little bit. And then I'm also going to outline the happy portion of the writing right at the top of the card. There you go. That is pretty much everything I did for this cute little happy birthday card. You could obviously use it for anything you wanted. It doesn't just have to be for a birthday card. You could make it into a bullet journal theme. You could make it into a greeting card or a thank you card. So many different options. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something and found it enjoyable to watch. Please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next one.